So, you know what I decided to do? I am going to just take this gas engine and all of this off of here and just go straight to the electric conversion. I'll get the engine started later, either sell it or, like I said, most likely turn it into my generator, depending on that time, what's going on. I might find a better motor. Who knows what I might find. But I will get it started later, without a doubt. I mean, anything can be fixed. Anything in this world. So what I'm going to do is take all the parts off of this and strip it down and then plan, because I'm just in the planning stage of this electric conversion. Get a plan going. Most likely, while I'm planning, I got like a fan motor, weed whackers and different stuff motors that runs. I'm gonna hook them up and just be trying different stuff. You know, this whole electric thing and conversions, you gotta practice and learn it. And that's what I'm about to do. So let's strip this down. First, I'm gonna do the gas line. Really, because of my video, I don't really have good video. I'm using my cell phone, which I can't hold and do at the same time. So I'm not gonna be able to show each step that I'm taking to take this out. Anybody can take them out. Just start unscrewing stuff. So I don't think you really need that. Maybe next time, if I do another one, I will. But right now, let's just take it apart. I'm gonna be careful with this gas. I can smell all the way, but I got plastic down. I got a couple of containers to catch the gas. Gloves with plastic, gloves under it. All of that. I'm not sure how much gas is in this thing. It's not much. I had the when I turned it on, it only said like less than a quarter of a tank. Now in mine, this was just like a 1/4 tank, 1/4 gallon. I mean, tank. So it only can hold like $1 anyway. So less, it's got probably only 50 cents or less in here. So I'm gonna let that drain. I gotta hold it. So I'm gonna take a pause while this drain, and then keep going. I want to stop the video, but I can't let go of the thing. Talk to you in a minute.